everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy Canva tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you the part 2 of how-to tutorials in Canva. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, click the link in the description box. Now, we're going to tackle today about finding shared designs in Canva, saving your Canva design as an image, using Canva grids for a perfectly structured layouts. First one is how to find shared designs in Canva. Now let's go to Canva. First is let's go to our search bar, search for all your content, click it right here, then search for thumbnails since that's the one that I'm currently looking at. Then we see multiple thumbnails here and we're going to change the owner into shared with you. And there you have it. We have all the thumbnails that is shared with us. Second one is how to save your Canva design as an image. Now let's start. So we click share right here. Then just scroll down a little bit and click download. And you can choose the file type right here. You can choose either JPG or PNG. But for this, I'm gonna do JPG. And you click download. Lastly, how to use Canva grids. Right. Now for Canva grids, we just have to go to elements, scroll down a little bit for grids. You choose our grids right here. See all and choose the grid that you want. For example, I like this one. Then we go back to elements again and let's search for marketing girl. Then maybe I want something like this. Then we change the color of this one and I want the color like the one purple. Then this one is white. And we just have to make this maybe push it a little. Then we can add the text right here. We just edit this out. Oh, let's make it a little big. There you go. Then enter. There you go. Put it like this. Bold font, make it a little bigger. And something like that, yeah. So we can use these grids whenever we want to use a collage. If you want an artistic type of post, you can use the grids. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content about Canva tips and tricks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!